Good morning, children. Welcome to online class for 9th standard polynomials continuation. Next, zeros of a polynomial. Here, consider a polynomial p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Suppose we replace x is equal to 1 everywhere. Here, replace 1 everywhere in the equation. Means x is equal to 1 means p of 1 is equal to 5, where x is there you put 1 whole cube minus 2 x is 1 whole square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. P of 1 is equal to, here 1 cube is nothing but 1, 5 into 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 2 is nothing but 5, 2 to the 4 minus 4 plus 3 on the 3 minus 2. Here this is the plus value, this is the plus value, we add 5 plus 3 is 8, this is the minus value, this is the minus value, this is 6 is equal to 2, p of 1 is equal to 2. What is this? You see, this is the value of p of x at x is equal to 1 is 2. This is the value of p of x. You see, the value of p of x at x is equal to 1 is 2. This is the 2. Suppose this is example number 2. This is example 1. Example 2. See, p of x is equal to x minus 1. Next, example number 2, p of x is equal to x minus 2, x minus 1. Here, suppose we replace x is equal to 1 everywhere. Then p of 1 is equal to p of x is equal to x minus 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. P of 1 is equal to 0. When the x value, when we are giving the x value, that value indicates the 0. The polynomial is 0. Then the value of x, it is called 0 of the polynomial. 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial. This is the, when the x value, for any x value, the equation is equal to 0. For that x value is called 0 of the polynomial. This is the example 1 and 2. Next, observations. Observations. Next, you write observations. In observations, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Observations in that, first one, a 0 of a polynomial need not be 0. Either 0 of a polynomial, either 0 or any number. Compulsory it is not a 0. Either it may be 0 or any number. Next, 0 may be a 0 of a polynomial. Sometimes 0 is also a 0 of a polynomial. Sometimes 0 may not be. 0 is not a polynomial, 0 of the polynomial. This is it. Third one, every linear polynomial has one and only one 0. Linear polynomial is having only one 0 of the polynomial. Next, a polynomial can have more than one zeros. Suppose other than linear polynomial, the polynomial is having more than one zeros. Then it is called, this is the observation. Next, exercise number 4.2. See, exercise number 4.2. Next, exercise number 4.2. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0 first one, x is equal to minus 1 second one, x is equal to 2. Here first given polynomial is, see, first you arrange the alpha here powers, x power 2, x power 1, here there is no x power, I arrange the decreasing order, otherwise leave it as it is. See, polynomial is minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. This is the polynomial. Next, exercise number 4.2, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0. This is the first problem. X is equal to minus 1. This is the second problem. X is equal to 2 is the third problem. Here, what is this polynomial can be written in the form of powers decreasing order. That is, x square is highest one. This is minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. Here, this is p of x is equal to minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. This is the equation. When x is equal to 0, p of 0 is equal to minus 4 into 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 3. Here is equal to 0 into any number is 0. Here 0 into any number is 0. 3 number as it is, this is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of x, the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 0 is 3. This is the first one. Next, second one. See here, same polynomial p of x is equal to minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. Here x is equal to 0, here x is equal to 1, minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 4 bracket of minus 1 whole square plus 5 bracket of minus 1 plus 3. P of minus 1 is equal to, here minus 4, here minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1, here plus into minus minus 5 plus 3. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 4 minus 5 plus 3. P of minus 1 is equal to, these two are minus 9, minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. P of minus 1 is equal to, this is minus 6. Here the value of polynomial p of x at x is equal to minus 1 is minus 6. This is the second one. Next, you substitute x is equal to 2 in this polynomial. Next, you calculate the value of this one. This is the first main. Next, in 4.2 exercise, second main, find p of 0, comma p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. This is the first one, this is the fourth one. You see, in first one, p of 0, y is equal to 0, p of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1, p of 0 is equal to 1. It means the value of the polynomial at p of 0, the value of the polynomial, the value of the polynomial p of y at y is equal to 0 is 1. Second one, p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. P of 1, y is equal to p of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. P of 1 is equal to, the 1 square is nothing but 1 minus 1 plus 1. Here plus 1 and minus 1 cancel. P of 1 is equal to, this is also plus 1. The value of same, the value of the polynomial value of the polynomial p of y at y is equal to 1 is 1. Next, p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Y is equal to 2. P of 2 means y is equal to p of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. P of 2 is equal to 2 square means 4 minus 2 plus 1. P of 2 is equal to, this is plus number, this is plus number, 4 plus 1 5 minus 2. P of 2 is equal to 3. Here the value of the polynomial, the value of the polynomial, value of the polynomial py at y is equal to 2 is, that is 3. This is the first one. Here fourth one. Here px is equal to x minus 1 x plus 1. Here first one, p of 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 0 plus 1. P of 0 is equal to, this is minus 1, this is plus 1. No need to write plus here. Minus into plus minus, this is minus 1. P of 0 is equal to minus. This is the value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 0 is minus 1. You have to write this step. Second one, p of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Here x value is 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0 into 2. 0 into any number is nothing but 0. P of 0. Here value is 0 means g, here 1 is the 0 of a polynomial. This is 0 of a polynomial. Why? Because here equating to 1. Next, third one, p of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Here p of 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. Here p of 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1, 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. P of 2 is equal to, this is 3 over 3. The value of p of x at x is equal to 2 is 3. This is, you have to write this last line. The value of p of x at x is equal to 2 is 3. This is the fourth one. Second and third you have to do in your home. Next, third main. Next, third main, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Verify this one. First one is p of x is equal to 3x plus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Either it is a zero of the polynomial is there or not. Next, p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2, x is equal to minus 1 minus plus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial or not. See, p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. P of minus 1 by 3, 3 1 ja, plus into minus 1 plus 1. P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to, this is plus 1 and minus 1 cancel 0. Therefore, minus 1 by 3 is a zero of the polynomial. Next, here p of x, p of 1, p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. P of first to calculate minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2. P of minus 1, here minus 1 and plus 1 cancel 0, here minus 3, 0 into any number is 0. This is here minus 1 is a minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Next, calculate x is equal to p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Here, next time you take x value is 2. P of 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 bracket of 2 minus 2. P of 2 is equal to, this is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 into any number, P of 2 is equal to 0. Here 2 is a next, therefore 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. 2 is also here minus 1 and 2 are both are the zeros of the polynomial. Next, in 4.2 exercise 4.1, find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Here you see, first one is x plus 5 is the polynomial, second one is 2x plus 5 is the polynomial, third one is 3x is the polynomial, next one is ax is the polynomial. It means here all the polynomials are having highest power of the degree is 1. It means these are all called linear polynomial. When linear polynomial, the zeros of the polynomial, given polynomial equal to 0. Here this is the polynomial x plus 5 equal to 0. X is equal to this plus 5 comes this side minus 5. Here minus 5 is the zero of a polynomial. Next one, here 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the highest power of the degree is 1. This is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is equal to 0. 2x is equal to, this comes this side minus 5. X is equal to, here multiplication sign is there, comes this side division, minus 5 by 2. This is the minus 5 by 2 is the zero of a polynomial. Next, here 3x is equal to 0. X is equal to, this 3 comes this side, 0 by 3, x is equal to 0. Here it means x value is 0. Therefore 0 is the zero of a polynomial. Next, ax is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 by a, x is equal to 0. Here also 0 is the zero of a polynomial. This ends the exercise number 4.2. Next, we shall see in the next class remainder theorem and 4.3 exercise and next 4.4 exercise in the next class. Thank you.